9 foods make you more beautiful. 1. Water. If the body loses water up to 20% of its body weight, life will not be maintained. Even if it loses 2%, it will interfere with normal physiological functions. Over a long period of time, it will accelerate the aging process of the human body. Drinking water can make the cells of skin tissue full of water and elasticity, make skin tender, moisturize and reduce wrinkles. Especially in the elderly, the secretion of sex hormones is reduced, the secretion of oil is insufficient, and the skin is more likely to lose water. Adults need to drink 1,500 to 2,000 milliliters of water a day. You must drink a glass of water in the morning and before going to bed. 2. Pigskin. Pigskin, pig hoof and pigtail are rich in macromolecule collagen and elastin, which are called beauty food. Collagen can promote skin cells to absorb and store water, prevent skin from drying and wrinkling, make it plump and smooth. Elastin can make skin blood circulation vigorous, adequate nutrition supply, enhance skin elasticity and toughness, make skin wrinkles shallow or disappear. 3. Nut. Walnuts, pine nuts, hazelnuts, acorns, peanuts, sesame and other nuts are rich in vitamin E. This is an effective antioxidant, which can prevent the excessive oxidation of unsaturated fatty acids in the body, prevent premature aging spots on the skin, effectively prevent brown pigments from depositing in the skin, and prevent brown spots on the face. Vitamin E can also promote cell division, regeneration, delay cell aging and restore skin elasticity. Nuts contain a variety of amino acids and vitamins A, D, K and iron, phosphorus, zinc, manganese, etc. It can promote the growth of hair and nails. Prevent hair loss, premature white hair, dry and rough skin, premature aging. 4. Jujube. Jujube contains a lot of vitamin C. It is an effective antioxidant, not only to maintain the elasticity of the skin, but also to inhibit and block the formation of skin melanin. If there are many melanocytes in the skin will turn black. Usually eat more fresh vegetables and fruits rich in vitamin C, eat less salt, can reduce or eliminate pigment spots. 5. Grape seed. Grape seeds are called skin vitamins. They can protect collagen, improve skin elasticity and luster, whiten, moisturize and dispel freckles. Reduce wrinkles, keep skin soft and smooth, remove acne and heal scars. Grape seeds are hard, but you can crush the grapes into grape juice and drink them all. 6. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes contain a substance similar to estrogen and vitamin E. Regular consumption can keep the skin tender and delay aging. It also contains a large amount of mucin, which promotes health, prevents fatigue, and energizes people. Sweet potato also contains a lot of cellulose, which can inhibit the conversion of sugar into fat, which is an ideal diet food. 7. Cucumber. Cucumber is known as natural beauty food, and regular food can make the skin delicate. Cucumber is rich in propanol diacids, which prevents the conversion of sugars into fat in the body. Cucumber contains not only more carotene, vitamin B, and C, but also more magnesium, which can make people's skin healthy, ruddy, lustrous, and can also clear the face of chloasma, butterfly spots and so on. 8. Fat. Fat mainly distributes in the breast and buttocks of girls, forming the unique curvilinear beauty of women. Subcutaneous fat can make skin smooth and elastic. Insufficient fat intake will make the skin dry and rough, dull, giving a sense of aging. 9. Tomato facial mask. Press the tomatoes into juice, add a little sugar or honey, and add a little flour. After washing your face before going to bed, apply it on your face for 20 minutes and rinse it with clean water. Applying it every day can make the skin smooth and delicate, and the beauty anti-aging effect is excellent, cheap and practical, and environmentally friendly. If you like my video, please subscribe the channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I will post more similar videos.